What's up everybody, and in today's video I am going to be showing you some tips and tricks about Microsoft Word. There are some shortcuts and some other things that you may never knew about. So let's just jump straight into this. So number one, it's going to be this. So you can actually import your own fonts in Microsoft Word. All you have to do is type the font in Google and download the folder for it. After that, all you have to do is press this button over here in Word, and the font should be in your options. As you can see, I got the Obelix Pro font. Secret number 2, and this secret is quite underrated and not many know about it. As you can see, I'm currently in light mode. To change your Word to dark mode, all you have to do is go to File, go to Account, and after that choose the Office theme and make it black. And as you can see, if I go back here, now it is in dark mode. Tip number 3. So you want to close your document, but you have other documents open. So therefore, you probably don't want to close the entire application by hitting the X button. If you're not gonna save, and for example, let me close all of them, don't save. And as you can see, now we are left with this screen to open a blank document. Tip number 4, or secret number 4. So you might want to write like a sentence or a paragraph professionally. So let's try and write a sentence. So I am working a lot to get the best product for my business. Let's type that. Now, this sentence is technically correct in, grammatical ways and things, but that's not what we're here about. We're here about making this more professional. So let's say this. I am working a lot to get the best product for my business. So what you want to do is highlight maybe a phrase. Click your right click. And here, press the Rewrite Suggestions button. As you can see, you will get some other options, for example, working hard, working very hard, or working really. So this one doesn't really make sense. Sometimes you have to, use a bit your mind. But let's maybe do this, working very hard. Let's try it with the best product for my business. You're going to click right click and Rewrite Suggestions. Unfortunately, it did not give us any suggestions, so maybe let's try to highlight a shorter phrase, maybe write suggestions. And as you can see, to get the best product, I am working very hard to get best products, a better product, and some other things. So as you can see, I am working very hard to get best products for my business. So you might be adding some other words like the, but it's a really great way to get some new vocabulary. And as you can see, I worked very hard. Now, if you want some more vocabulary, you can see they give you suggestions like extremely hard and some others. Finally, tip number 5, the best tip I can give you is going to be the dictate button. If you don't know what this is, dictate, you technically talk and then Word, just actually writes for you. You don't have to type. Let's try this out. I will be pressing the dictate button. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see, literally, they typed it. I just talked and Word automatically typed everything with no errors grammatically. You can also do a full stop, and also a tip and trick to do this. So what you have to do to get a full stop when using the dictate, look at this. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Full stop. As you can see, when I say full stop, it doesn't write the word full stop. It just does you a full stop over here. And also, if you want to, you can also say exclamation mark. Okay, it got me a bit when I was talking and it understood me like hey, but it got the exclamation mark over here. So you can get exclamation mark. If you want a question mark, question mark. As you can see, I said question mark, it does you a question mark. And I think you understand now. If you want a comma, just say comma. And finally, I am going to be giving you a bonus tip for watching till the end. And this bonus tip is like this. Let's say your computer just glitched, or you can't open file for some reason, or you just want to save some time and not just go through the file section. Let's say you want to save your document. There is a shortcut. So the shortcut, it is going to be Control plus S. So if you press Control and S, it will give you the option to save your document. Obviously, this document, I never saved it before, so it's going to give me the save as option. But, since if your document is already saved as, you will be given the option to just save. So that's a quick shortcut for you. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Peace and have a great day.